names a person, place, things, or ideas. Examples are pen, house, book, student, teacher, daughter, Mary, thief, and etc. Verb. Verb is a word or group of words describes an action or experience. Examples are study, think, prepare, realize, believe, look, soon, and etc. Next is preposition. Preposition is used before a noun, pronoun, or gerund to show place, time, distance in the sentence. Examples are at, in, on, from, above, below, and etc. Next is pronoun. Pronoun replaces the name of a person, place, things, or ideas in a sentence. Examples are this, that, him, her, he, she, if, we, they, and etc. Next is adverb. Adverb tells how often, how, where, and when. It can describe a verb, an adjective, and adverb. Examples are frequently, seldom, sometimes, early, and soon, etc. Next is adjective. Adjective describes noun or pronoun. Examples are tall, thin, red, beautiful, ugly, sweet, handsome, and etc. Next is conjunctions. Conjunctions joins words in a sentence. Examples: so, until, and, because, yet, therefore, moreover, since, or, but, and etc. Last one is interjection. Interjection express strong emotion and are often followed by an exclamation point. Examples are hooray, yay, oops, phew, bravo, well, aha,